Interstate 30 shut down and crews busy performing water rescues.
Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us for Fox 16 News at 5:30. I'm Donna Terrell.
I'm Kevin Kelly. Our crews covering the flooding, capturing a water rescue in action. Take a good look. 3 to 5 inches of rain fell in just a few hours in Bryant, catching many drivers by surprise. One man climbed on top of his vehicle to wait for the Bryant Fire Department.
And families in Shannon Hills are returning to their homes on Clayton Drive. The fire department evacuated a half-dozen families around 9 this morning. The chief kept the pets in a bay at the station while neighbors waited for the waters to recede. The property manager of one of those flooded homes grew up in this area.
This particular tenant, she moved in about 4 months ago. We've not seen water even close to this since probably 1978.
The fire department chief told us that they do not know of any injuries. People in the area are trying to figure out the next step as they await Red Cross assistance.